Hello, third grade. This is Miss Alicia. Today we are doing 6-11, which is doing diagrams to represent multi-step problems. So if you look at the diagrams that are below me, we're going to be using those to help us solve our word problems today. Let's start with our first problem.
Number models for multi-step problems. 1. Ronald bought 2 packs of crackers. There are 5 crackers in each pack. He ate some crackers. Now Ronald has 7 crackers. How many crackers did he eat? Letter and what it represents. Blank for blank. Answer: blank crackers.
Okay, so we want to think about what letter we can get to represent the how many crackers did he eat. So we're going to represent it using the letter C. So we'll say C for crackers, and we will fill in the diagram with what we think is best. So go ahead and get out your pencil and paper, and let's begin. Okay, so we said we would use the letter C for crackers. Now, like we've done with the previous lessons, we are making a number model using the letter. So we know that Ronald has 2 packs of crackers. So we have this diagram here, a part whole diagram. So we know that in these 2 packs, there are 5 in each pack. So our total, which goes here, the total number of crackers is 5 and 5 again. In other words, 2 times 5 is 10. So we filled in our part whole diagram by having the 5s in each pack, those 2 packs, and gets our total 10. Now we're not quite done yet because we know that he ate some. And then he has 7 crackers left. We don't know how many he ate. That's what we're trying to figure out. So when we eat something, that's being taken away. So we're going to minus C, the unknown, and we know that he now has 7. So we're going to fill in our change model to represent the number model that we just created. So we know we started with 10 crackers because there were 5 crackers in each pack. And at the end, after the change happened, he had 7. So in order to get from 10 to 7, how many crackers did he eat? The number model that would represent that, 10 minus the crackers, is going to equal 7. So what is your answer? Think about it. 10 minus C equals 7. It is 3 crackers. 10 minus 3 equals 7. So that means Ronald ate 3 crackers. Okay, we're going to try another problem using a diagram to help us solve. Let's begin. Problem 2. Layla bought 3 bags of fruit. Each bag has 4 oranges and 6 apples. How many pieces of fruit did Layla buy all together? Letter and what it represents. So we know that there are 4 oranges and 6 apples. So what we need to do is find out how many she bought all together. So in order for us to do that, we need to first come up with our letter and representation. So what letter could we come up with? Let's use F for fruit. Okay, now we need to do our number model with the letter and then be able to do this using our number model. So let's think for a moment. Number model with letter. So Each bag has 4 oranges and 6 apples. So we know we're going to be adding those two numbers together. But then we need to do it 3 times. So we need to multiply that answer by 3 in order to get the total number of fruit. Now, remember, we want to think about our order of operations. So if you look behind me, we have PEMDAS. We've talked about that already. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Okay, so when you're doing the order of operations, we want to think which part of our number model is going to come first. Am I doing the 6 times 3 first or 4 plus 6 first? We're going to be doing the 4 plus 6 first. So I'm going to put parentheses around that part of my number model because I'm doing this part first, 4 plus 6. Then I'm going to multiply by 3 to get the total number of fruit. So 4 plus 6 is 10. There are 10 pieces of fruit in each of the 3 bags. Okay? Now, in order for me to get my total number of fruit from the 3 bags, I am going to need a different number model to answer this question. So go ahead and write your answer below on the line, and then we're going to check it. So you should have 10 times 3 equals the number of fruit. Number of pieces of fruit is 30. 3 times 10 is 30. So congratulations, you have completed 2 examples using number models for multi-step problems, which is what Unit 6, Lesson 11 is about. You're going to have some practice with this and showing how to solve problems in the order of operations. That's the main thing of this lesson. We want to be able to read the problems and solve them in the correct order. So I'm going to give you some practice questions and you're going to solve them using that reminder. If you need to go back on any of the videos, please go back and do so. Go back and look at that YouTube video that has the song to help you remember the order of operations. All right, can't wait to see your work.